In this video, I'm going to break down the simple strategy that affiliate marketers are using to make over $10,000 a month in 3 simple steps. Step 1 is going to be to create your account with Quora. So you're going to go over to Quora.com, and as you can see, you can log in with your Gmail account, your Facebook account. You can create your own separate email. Once you get logged into Quora and you're ready to go, now what do? How do you start thinking about your affiliate links and your affiliate products that you're going to want to promote? Step number 2 is joining a Spaces group or searching for a particular topic that you want to promote affiliate products for. So, for example, on the left-hand side, they have all these spaces here that you basically create topics that you're interested in when you sign up. Or what you can do is you can go over here and you can click on spaces, and they're going to have some preloaded spaces that you might want to join. So think of this as like a Facebook group or a LinkedIn group that's people join and they follow, and they're about the same topic. So for example, right here, this one is about marketing and content. So if you click this one, it's going to tell you all about marketing and content. There's 422,000 people as a part of this group. So kind of like a subreddit, same kind of thing. If you have a specific product in mind that you want to promote through your affiliate links, what you can do is you can go up here to search. So you're going to click on the search right here, and let's type in electric bike. All right, so all the results here are going to show up with different people that are posting questions about electric bikes. So this is probably the easiest way to find out, okay, who is looking for what? How can I respond with some sort of a valuable answer, a benefit, maybe like a pros and cons list? For these first two actually are really great examples. So what electric bike should I buy? What is the best electric bike? You can actually post your affiliate link in here when you reply to one of these posts. There is one more step that you're going to need to follow in order to make this method a success and give yourself the biggest opportunity to really start making affiliate sales. And that's going to come in at number 3. Step number 3 is finding and promoting your affiliate products. So for this example, we're going to use Amazon. Amazon Associates is the affiliate marketing program for Amazon. We're going to use Amazon to find our product. We're going to search for an electric bike because that's what we're going to want to promote to somebody, right? So we're going to type in electric bike. And usually what I like to do is sort by the 5 stars over here. And then I want to look for ratings that are at least 1,000. Okay, here's a good one right here, and it's a limited time deal. It's got 1,800 reviews, and it's the Janison EB5 electric bike for adults. So we're going to click on that, and once you have your product, we don't need to have the image unless you want to post an image as well. All we're going to do is we're going to go up here to the right corner, click on Get Link, and we're going to copy the affiliate link right here. So we're going to copy this, and that is what you're going to use to actually promote within a Quora post. Okay, so we're going to head back over to the Quora post, and what we're going to do is we're going to click on this little comment section right here. And this is where we're going to actually add in the comment. So the first thing we want to put in here is we're going to want to put in a little bit of a description. This here is a great example of providing value. You're providing a basic description of what the bike is about and some of the features all wrapped into one. And then you put your Amazon affiliate link right after that. Now just imagine hundreds, if not thousands of people are clicking on your affiliate links that are routing back to Amazon. You're definitely going to be hitting 6 figures in no time at all. And what it's going to do is it'll post it here, and if somebody clicks on this hyperlink right here, they're going to be routed right back to Amazon. So remember, with Amazon Associates, if somebody clicks on your link within 24 hours and purchases something, you're going to get a commission of, or you're going to get a cut of. It doesn't even have to be this electric bike. It could be 101 other things that they have in their cart. If you really enjoy learning about side hustles and learning how to make money online, especially with a full-time job, then you should sign up for my free weekly newsletter. It comes out every Monday, a new issue. I'm going to leave a link down in the description below in order to sign up for the newsletter. And don't worry, you can unsubscribe anytime you want. Hope to see you in there. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to watch this video coming up next, which talks about the 7 laziest side hustles for 2025.